can open yours, Chelsea, too. What have you got? Wow, what is it? What is it? What does it look? What do you think it is? Can you say thank you, Grandnan and Grandpop? And Auntie Christine? Good cow. Can you open your... What have you got, Chelsea? Okay. Can you open your other present too? Thank you. I'll open them for you in just a minute, darling. Thank you.
Thanks again for being good money and my gift.
Well done, baby. Georgie, what's in there? Do you think there's money in there?
Money?
Money? Who likes money? Wow. You open up your card and you see what's in the card, darling. Here it is. You open that one up. What's in there? What's that? A Freddo! She's on the phone. Oh, I don't know. What else is in the card? You come and have a look.
Where's the other one? Okay. Where's the other one?
What other one, darling?
This.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
What's in there?
This.
Oh, Mummy will find it. Hang on.
The Mummy.
Yeah, in a minute when Mummy's ready. Mummy's helping Chelsea for a minute.
What? And then I got this.
Did you? You better go and have that one at your table, I think, baby, please.
I want the Freddo.
You want a Freddo? Well, you open your card and you see what's in there.
Okay. And the see what's in there.
Wow, do you want that one?